Alright, this is a recap of a box break of 2010 Certified I did, and it was one of those hot boxes. So all of these are numbered of 999. Then these are numbered of 999. Rookie of David Nelson, Armonte Edwards out of 999, and Everson Griffin out of 999. And got Clinton Portis number of 250. There, so 250. And then had number out of 100, Donald Driver, John Carlson, Calvin Johnson, 100, Bo Scaife out of 100, Jake Delhomme out of 100, and then I got a Larry Fitzgerald, number 10 out of 10. It's a good card. Then my hits were Peyton Manning jersey out of 100, and then a Bob Hayes jersey numbered out of 100. And then I got two redemptions. This one, the signature was of Golden Tate, and then this jersey one, this freshman fabric was Demarius Thomas. So subscribe.